Hey y'all. I know, we didn't expect to be back either. Mama couldn't wait. We just had that soup and that grilled cheese, and we're going to open this for you all. Right here we go. We just fixed this. I'm going to take it away from my face.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Now, here's the secret to this. Let's try it first off.
Try some salad.
Wow. Okay, you don't have to put this salt unless you got Mama telling you to. So,
That's literally our pot thing.
it's delicious. Here's the popcorn I put in there. Just this.
Save-A-Lot brand.
Save-A-Lot brand. And all I done was fill the little bottom part full. No oil.
No butter.
No nothing. This was perfect popcorn to Mama when we put salt in it. As far as dieting. It's delicious, ain't it, Mama?
Yeah. It kind of shocked me that it's so fluffy and white.
Just may have to come and show you. This little thing works. No more microwave popcorn for me. This is it for now on. Look at that. Popcorn's one of those things, even if you do it, you soup and a grilled cheese, there's room for popcorn. And this is,
Jell-O.
you got a bowl to eat it out of, or you can dump it up in individual bowls.
We're sitting around there like this. There's no sense of dumping it out.
No, there isn't until right now I'm wanting to show them this bottom.
I'll get you a bowl.
But look, that's tons of popcorn. It's more than you get. It's twice as much you get in a microwave bag, or maybe a little bit more. I'm just going to show you our fancy microwave, our popcorn bowls that we use when we bake a bag.
It
And
makes
dump it
this
in here?
full.
We know how much it makes this one full. Let's see what's in here. So that's what I get out of a bag.
I said them bags are a lot littler than what they used to.
And there's that much more in there, isn't there? Well, see if I can get it in here. So I wanted to show you the bottom of this. It took it a while to get here because of the snow. Oh, and there's those grains in the bottom. I didn't do this. Should have. You take these grains and you turn this up and they'll come out. See how they're coming out? You don't have to fool with them.
You can put them on.
I'm going to put that on here because I'm trying to get to the bottom.
Oh, you're trying to. There's more in there, huh?
Yeah.
It may
You see
like
this
one.
little thing right there? That's a little different than this. This is that rubbery. That's harder. I just filled kernels into that little section there. And just level with it. Not more or not less. Just level with it. And it said to put a little salt on it. But you don't have to. And it popped and made that whole bowl full. And not a drop of oil, not a drop of butter. Nothing but this delicious popcorn. So, I was going to show you tomorrow night. Mama said, let's try that thing out and see if it works. And it worked so good, I thought, well, I'll show them tonight. And that popcorn's delicious. The brand that we're using
It's just the Save-A-Lot.
is just J. Higgs popping corn from the Save-A-Lot. But I believe any popcorn would be good.
I've had that ever since you ordered the popcorn popper.
This is amazing. This is really good. What do you think about, Mama?
It's good popcorn. Turns out really good.
And with them little things right there, you don't have to worry about them kernels on the bottom. You just shake them out before you dump it in your bowl. Delicious. I wish I bought 2 of them and we could just left it in there and ate it.
I couldn't eat that much popcorn.
No. It's a lot of popcorn. Yeah. If you want to put seasoning in there or oil, it didn't say you couldn't. But you don't have to have. We proved that right here tonight.
Don't say you have to have it on that lid.
I really figure it might just pop a few things and burn. This is healthy popcorn. Now what you can do, you can pop this up before you leave for work in the morning. Put it in a big old gallon Ziploc bag. And you'll have a snack anytime you want it. Not store-bought, not 3 days old. Made fresh for you that day. Had to come out and share that with you. And I don't need to be eating popcorn because I ain't even watching a movie.
You're going to collapse it and show them again?
Mama,
You have to wash it.
You just push it down. Woo! And that's how it stores.
You know what? You could put dip in here and line crackers or chips.
Or
Yeah.
you can put popcorn in there and put some dip in it. That little section there in the middle is all that the popcorn kernels you need. And it works perfectly. See, it's got that little, and then here, so you just fill that part right there full. Not this whole thing now, just this down in here is all I put. And it made every bit of that popcorn a bowl full. And it popped in 2:25? 2 minutes, 25?
2:25? I think so. I think that's what it was.
I put Mama's link below the video we just finished, and I'm going to put it in this one. This one, I'll just put her Tupperware link. I don't know how long this will last, but they're there now. That's all I know.
Good popcorn.
It tastes delicious. I always thought the oil or the, what do they put in that bag that's always so...
Buttery. I get the buttery. I get the bad kind.
But this is just as good. It's not the butter or the oil that makes it better. If you want to drizzle a little butter over this, you could. Or put anything over what you want. No sound? Who's saying that? Wow, that's amazing. Surely I've had sound this whole time. Yes. But how many carbs does the popcorn have? Steve Duncan.
Sister Schubert's Rose.
Somebody done run Sister Schubert's Rose. That was Bonnie. Steve Duncan. There better not be no carbs in this.
They are. Corn's got carbs.
About serving size is 3 tablespoons.
Well, you didn't put that in there.
Calories is 110. Sodium is 10 milligrams. Carbs is 27.
Ooh.
But I didn't put 3 tablespoons in there. Is that dry corn it's talking about? Thanks, Steve Duncan.
Well, you didn't put a tablespoon in there, did you?
No, I didn't, Steve. I don't see a carb inside.
It's healthy carbs. No butter, no nothing on it.
Good evening. There has been sound the entire time. Thank you, Deanna. They scared me to death, and it wasn't. I love popcorn, but I can't eat it because I'm a diabetic. Well, Leanne, if Steve Duncan would put something that's got carbs in it, we could eat it. I thought popcorn was good for dieting. Janice. Hey, Janice. Hey, Sherry. Carbs turn into sugar. Look at it. That way, just cut back on your cookies. Thank you, Sherry. I like that.
Can I wash this again?
John, give Mama some. Well, Paulette?
I'm full from what I ate.
I offered her some, Paulette. She just didn't want it.
You through with this?
I am, ma'am. And I'll tell you what. We can put the lid on this and I'll eat it. I like it hot, but I'll eat it out of a bag sometime. This was just a test pop. And I was really just gonna, thought no more popcorn, it would just make a little bit. And I thought tomorrow night I'll know how much to fix. That was super simple. They don't have to be showed how to do that. Throw your kernels in there and put it in the microwave for 2.25 seconds. Well, I would enjoy my popcorn, but Steve's kind of took the good happy out of it.
I'm gonna give you this back on. I can't wash this, of course.
I know, Mama. All right. Get these little. There wasn't a whole lot that didn't pop. No more than a regular bag. All right, folks. I'm not eating no more popcorn because it's got some carbs in it. From Kentucky, love popcorn with sugar. Isn't that what they call kettle corn?
Kettle corn.
Hey, Jackie. Popcorn is good, healthy snack. Low in calories. All right, Linda. Let's me and you talk about that. That's a good thing. It's low in calories. My doctor says no to popcorn. Lynn, really? My husband and I had a popcorn snack several afternoons a week. That is usually our evening meal. Enjoy. Rebecca, we do too. Seems like Sunday night after church, it's good to have a little bowl of popcorn, watch a little movie, wind down for the evening. And sometimes on Friday night or on Saturday, it's good. I'll have one more bite, okay? It's sitting right here. You just don't let me just sit here and not eat it. And it smells so good and it's still warm. All right, popcorn. You get over there. Popcorn is a healthy snack because it's low in calories. Now, it's got a few carbs in it, as Steve pointed out for us. But it's not bad for you, I don't think. But her doctor said not to. But if you're going to eat it anyway, you might as well eat as healthy as this is.
You can't get no healthier. You leave the salt off and you can't get no salt, no...
Just corn, right? I mean, it's a vegetable. Popcorn's a vegetable.
Potatoes a vegetable too, but you
Come on here, Mama. They can't see you.
Potatoes a vegetable too, but you fuss at me for my potatoes all the time.
I don't fuss.
Look at my hair where you pitted me.
Here, they think I hid that from you, but I didn't.
I can't eat. I just eat a
But
sandwich.
it's good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. I'm cool.
Maybe you can sell a few at home tonight. To these people that watch
But
the
it's so pretty and white.
It is. And it's not been in no bag.
Mm-hmm.
It just tastes lighter and fresher.
It is that.
I didn't touch that piece. I'll have to eat it.
Oh, yeah.
I can feel your judgment.
Put your hand over and you can touch another or two.
I can see the judgment in your eyes. Okay, we're going to say goodbye again.
Yeah.
No, we're not coming back tonight.
No.
But we'll try to see you tomorrow. You'll have a blessed night. Get you some sleep.
Yeah.
Just some rest.
Good night. Bye-bye.
And get you a popcorn bowl.
That's right. Get them while you can.
Get them while you can. We can't make promises after tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
Well, I can't hit the